Everything in nature is a part of ourselves. Everything in nature has a voice, a soul. We must try to understand them, not just with our minds, but also with our hearts. It is only through this path that the mystic bond between man and nature is achieved. Nature is full of sacredness and spirals. Our way is to seek balance and harmony within the complex tapestries of life called the Great Circle of Life. Many great Persian poets and mystics believed that everything in nature has a soul. Everything in nature dances.